Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Don, and tonight we are going back into one of my all-time favorite VR dungeon crawlers. That's right. So tonight we're going to be taking a look at Karnage Chronicles. They just dropped their update number 3. And man, I've been waiting for a long time for that to come out. So I can't wait to see this new content. And I can't wait to see it in the 8KX, man. You guys know I'm loving this headset. I've been loving it ever since I got the chance to bring it home from CES. So anyway, for today, we are going to step into the new content and ooh and ah and take a look. So let's go. God, that looks so good. Okay, whoa. Oh, wow. Okay, so I haven't been in Karnage Chronicles in a while, and the game has always been just graphically stunning. Okay, I mean, just every little detail, things like, oh man, you can see like water trickling down those rocks, things like that. But to see it in this headset, with this wide field of view and the 4K per eye, I have never seen anything in this game look as good as this. So, alright. I know. You guys are going to have to put up with it. There's going to be a lot of ooh and ah. Man, the depth, the scale. Just gorgeous. Absolute Nordic trolls. I haven't even started the new content yet, but you guys have already knocked it out of the park with this. This is like giving me jelly legs standing on this bridge. This is insane. That water looks abso-freaking-lutely amazing. So, alright, I know. Play the game, Don. Play the game. Yeah, so... You guys just, oh, jeez, like, Tell you what, if you have a fear of heights, this is not for you. Okay.
The stage was set for a new act in this grand design. Yet the actors remained unchanged. He pondered what might have been had a circle been there to guide the goblins when the corruption first infested their minds. Within his flock there was always room for more.
Okay, all these little voices are like really starting to trip me out. Oh, my inventory's full. What? Go with it. Okay, so this is another thing. Alright, so update number 3 for Karnage Chronicles, it actually takes place in outdoor environments, which is interesting because so far the first 2 chapters of the game have been completely back in the dungeon there. So very interested to see how Nordic Trolls tackles kind of an open world-ish experience here. So, alright. I ain't stupid. Oh, come on. Aha! Oh! Aha! I'll bite your kneecaps off! Oh, no, you're not dead. There. and how the treasure floats in midair. I think that's great. Awesome effect. You know what? We'll do all that when we come play it through on my time. But right now we're on your time. Oh, what do we got over here? What's up, guys? Oh crap! Oh, what the what? I like how their weapons can deflect your weapon. I don't like how I'm cornered. Yeah. Oh, took your head clean off, son. That's what I'm talking about. Whew. Oh, man. I can't get the fish. Okay. So, yeah. So, you know, you definitely, you get a nice sense of combat in this game. I really dig this. All right. Switch back to archer mode here. Dead? Hello? Oh, you! Nice. I love the glowing eyes. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah? Two can play at that. But I'll actually hit. Oh! Oh, man, I died. No way. Okay, so that was not cool. We are definitely going to go again. All right. Oh, I got to start all the way back here. Okay, round 2. Nice. God dang, where do you guys keep coming from? Okay, third time's a charm. Ah! Okay. Okay. We finally get them? Maybe? Yes. I think we can finally journey on. Get out of my way. Sweet. Some health. Very good. So, God, no. Nice. All right. Where you guys keep coming from? Nice. Very cool. God, I'm loving the background. Loving that. So, okay. Let's get on with it. What are you? God, there's so many enemies. Now, you know, this game is much better played multiplayer. I mean, you can come in here with 3 of your friends, and I highly recommend it. Like I said, Stacy, my wife, she really loves this game. Double dunk. Nice. Took your head off. Oh, shot you in your ankle. Nice. Just ran right into my arrow. Very cool. Okay, where'd that other guy go? Can I go this way? Nope. Oh. Think I'd have noticed that. Oh, shit. Oh, cool. Caught him in a blind spot. So maybe some slight little bugs to work out with the AI, but right now I'll take it. Nice, right in your eye. Right in your eye. Sweet. Out of the ground, for real. Half this video is just me running backwards. But that still is the tried and true old strategy that seems to work. Nice. Okay. Be very, very quiet. Nope. No. Okay. Alright, I think we are going to go ahead and cap the video here because obviously I just can't get very far without dying. But, man, I can't wait to explore more of this. Guys, if you have any sort of VR headset at all, grab a copy of this. I'm going to throw links for this down in the description. You don't want to miss this. This is one of those must-see VR experiences. But for me, that's going to do it. I'm out. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video if you did. And I will see you in the next one. This is Don, signing off.